Great. Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. And with that, I'll kick off an introduction to Plug and Play. Good morning out there. So Plug and Play has a combination of different pillars to it. At Plug and Play, our story really originated more from the real estate side of our business. And we initially started renting office space in the 90s to some small companies like PayPal, Google, Logitech, and Danger. And really through that building back then, we started cherry picking some companies and investing in them in their early stages. And this was really early on how we started our venture capital activities. And back then we would introduce these startups to venture capitalists to really get feedback on them and really know which companies we should move forward with. And that really became a big part of our model. And in 2006, we decided to open Plug and Play in the current form. So in our headquarters in Sunnyvale, where we have over 180,000 square foot building, we have, if we can go back, sorry, one slide. We have over 400 startups in the building and really a lot of activities from investments to corporate innovation and the accelerator programs. And really for corporate innovation that started in 2018 to 2008, sorry, where we started engaging with corporations, really asking them for their pain points and then matching those startups to corporations that are interested in doing pilots, licensing deals, as well as investments. And in 2013, we started our accelerator programs where we now have over 50 accelerator programs internationally, where we introduce startups to corporations and do this through a 3-month accelerator that I'll go into more details. So today, these are the 17 different industries that we run. We started our health practice that we'll focus more on today in 2015. We also started our impact and COVID-19 program this year, but you'll see a wide range of different industries. And really for our social impact vertical and to end COVID-19, our vision is to protect the lives and livelihood of those affected by COVID-19. And our mission is to validate and scale solutions and restore communities and revitalize economies by connecting innovation technology with platform partners, which is really aligned with what we do at Plug and Play, connecting technology solutions to corporate partners that are interested in scaling those technologies. The different topic areas that we'll cover, so health being the one that we'll highlight today, supply chain, as well as enterprise and commerce. And we have a series of events that are focused on these different topics. We've had a number that have already taken place and more to come as well. Within healthcare specifically, that's what this group is interested in. We'll be covering topics like ventilators, respiratory protective devices, point of care diagnostics, molecular diagnostic, population health management, symptom trackers so that we can avoid people going into the hospital when they don't need to, and also to be able to remotely monitor patients as well. The selection process and how it all works, very similar to our other programs. In the first stage, we work with the business units, determine who's going to engage in the program. We define the partners' interest areas in stage 2 and the focus of the program. Stage 3 will source through our ventures team. We have a team of about 40 folks on the venture side that actively source for startups based on the corporate partners' interests. They select the companies and share that and have a selection event to confirm the companies with the corporate partners. And lastly, we begin the program and start the pilots. Throughout the program, the timeline that we cover, we went over the engaging the pilot partners, so that's currently happening right now in April. We'll have startup pitch events to confirm the startups that the corporations want to engage with. So that will happen every month. And these are in the form of startups presenting similar to what you'll hear from today, but they'll cover a wide range of the topics we covered earlier. Then we'll do deep dive sessions to set the pilots between the corporations, the government entities, the NGOs, and the startups, and really to figure out the details there. And then lastly, we'll have a summit or to graduate these companies and to celebrate the wins, and that will take place in the fall. Well, thank you so much for joining me. If you're interested as a corporate partner or nonprofit or any entity interested in this program, please feel free to contact me. If you're a startup looking to learn more, all of our videos, all of our content and interest areas are featured on the website pnptc.com/COVID-19, as well as the application page. Thank you so much for having me.